Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best rear camera is probably one of the most essential upgrades you can make to your vehicle, transforming your driving experience from potentially stressful to confidently safe, especially when navigating tight parking spots or reversing in low visibility conditions, ensuring you can see every obstacle and maneuver with precision. Number 5. ROVE R2-4K Cam. Capture your journeys in stunning 4K Ultra HD. With its 8MP sensor, you'll see incredible detail and clarity that surpasses other dash cams. Even in low light, its revolutionary super night vision ensures clear footage. Instantly connect to your smartphone with built-in Wi-Fi 6. Use the ROVE app to view, download, and share your recordings at speeds up to 6 MB/s. It works effortlessly with both iOS and Android devices. Never lose track of your travels. This device accurately records your driving location and speed, allowing you to view your route on Google Maps. Enjoy free firmware upgrades for continuous improvement. It's equipped with a supercapacitor, a wide 150° lens, parking mode, and G-sensor technology. Features like loop recording and emergency video lock ensure your important moments are always saved. This dash cam comes with a full 1-year warranty. Our USA-based customer care team is ready to assist you via text or email, ensuring any issues are resolved quickly and efficiently. What we like. Experience unparalleled clarity with its 4K UHD recording. Built-in Wi-Fi 6 allows for swift video downloads and sharing. If you prioritize top-tier video quality and seamless connectivity for your recordings, this is the one for you. What people say. The camera has a wide-angle lens that provides a clear view of the entire rear area. Installation was straightforward, and the camera connected seamlessly with the car's infotainment system. The night vision feature is excellent, offering good visibility even in low-light conditions. Number 4. eRapta ERT01 HD Backup Camera. Introducing the eRapta ERT01 HD Backup Camera, designed for a wide range of vehicles including cars, pickup trucks, SUVs, and sedans. It offers a universal fit for both new and older models. This rear-view camera is universally compatible with 12-24V DC power and comes with a 26-foot RCA video cable. It seamlessly connects to most radios, DVD players, and other displays with RCA video inputs. Installation is straightforward. Simply connect its power to your reversing light and link it to your display using the provided AV cable. All necessary accessories are included for a quick setup. Experience crystal clear images with its 6 glass lenses and advanced chip for true color reproduction. Its 10 LED lights provide excellent night vision, ensuring safe reversing even in the dark. It includes double brackets for perfect installation behind the license plate or other locations like car trunks or mirrors, offering flexible and easy mounting solutions. Constructed with a durable metal housing and high-density impermeable material, it boasts IP69K waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof performance, ensuring long-lasting reliability in all conditions. Please note that this backup camera is compatible only with vehicles supporting CVBS signal type. Confirm your vehicle's signal type before purchasing or consult our customer service if you're unsure. What we like. This HD backup camera offers crystal clear images, even in the dark, thanks to its excellent night vision. Its IP69K waterproof rating ensures durability in all weather. If you're looking for a reliable and robust camera to enhance your reversing safety, especially on trucks or SUVs, this is a great choice. What people say. The camera has a wide-angle lens that provides a clear view of the entire rear of the vehicle. Installation was straightforward, and the camera connected seamlessly with the car's infotainment system. The night vision feature is excellent, allowing for safe reversing even in low-light conditions. Number 3. HD 1080p Backup Camera. Get your new backup camera installed in just 15 minutes with our simple plug-and-play system. It's designed for a quick and easy setup, so you can enjoy enhanced safety right away. See clearly even in the darkest conditions. Its advanced Starlight night vision technology provides a crisp, clear image, ensuring you can back up safely at any hour. Experience a stable, real-time HD 1080p image with zero lag. This system ensures a consistent and reliable view, eliminating interference for safer driving. Don't worry about the elements. It's waterproof and highly weather-resistant, designed to perform perfectly in extreme temperatures and harsh conditions. Enjoy an Ultra HD picture that remains steady and clear, even on bumpy roads. Advanced technology prevents shaky or blurred images, giving you a smooth viewing experience. This camera system works with most vehicles and offers adjustable settings for brightness and contrast. Customize your view for optimal visibility in any situation. What we like. Enjoy effortless installation with its plug-and-play design, getting you set up in minutes. It boasts a stable signal for real-time, lag-free HD 1080p images. If ease of use and a dependable, clear view for backing up are your main concerns, this system is ideal. What people say. The camera has a wide-angle lens that provides a clear view of the entire rear area. Installation was straightforward, and the camera connected seamlessly to the car's display. The night vision feature is excellent, offering good visibility even in low-light conditions. Number 2. ROVE R2-4K Dual Dash Cam. Capture every detail with stunning clarity. This device records simultaneously in 4K from the front and 1080p from the rear, ensuring you see everything on the road ahead and behind you. Don't let darkness hide important details. Equipped with a Sony Starvis 2 sensor and wide apertures, it delivers bright, clear footage even in challenging low-light conditions. Instantly view and download your recordings to your smartphone with its ultra-fast 5G Wi-Fi. Share your driving moments with friends and family in no time. Keep track of your journeys with built-in GPS. It precisely records your routes, locations, and speed, providing valuable data for review on your PC or Mac. Enjoy a suite of advanced features including motion detection, G-sensor, and seamless loop recording. It also includes a free 128GB card for ample storage. Protect your vehicle even when parked. Its intelligent parking mode offers time-lapse, motion, and collision detection, alerting you to any events that occur. Get started right away with everything you need for setup. It comes complete with all necessary cables, mounts, and a high-capacity microSD card for immediate use. What we like. Capture everything with dual 4K front and 1080p rear recording, featuring a Sony Starvis 2 sensor for superior low-light performance. Its ultra-fast 5G Wi-Fi ensures quick access to your footage. If you need comprehensive coverage of your entire vehicle and the best possible image quality in all conditions, this dual camera system is a top contender. What people say. The camera has a wide-angle lens, providing a broad view of the area behind the vehicle. Installation was straightforward, and the camera connected seamlessly with the car's display. The night vision feature is surprisingly clear, making it easy to see even in low-light conditions. Number 1. ROVE R2-4K Pro Dash Cam. Capture your journeys in stunning 4K resolution at 30 frames per second, or enjoy silky smooth 2.5K footage at 60 frames per second. This is our most advanced dash cam yet, packed with all the features you need for 2023. Connect your smartphone effortlessly using the latest dual-band 5G and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Our intuitive app allows you to view, download, and share your videos easily, and even manage all your settings remotely. With integrated GPS, you can record and view your real-time speed and compass direction. It precisely logs your driving routes, locations, and speed stamps directly onto your videos for added evidence. This dashboard camera features a supercapacitor for extended life, Sony's advanced CMOS sensor, and a wide f1.5 aperture for exceptional low-light performance. It also includes time-lapse, a 150 degrees wide-angle lens, and supports up to 512 GB of storage. Our custom-designed parking mode offers 24/7 protection with options for 1 frame per second time-lapse, motion detection, and collision detection. If an incident occurs while parked, it records a full video, locks it securely, and alerts you upon your return. This dash cam is backed by a 1-year warranty and dedicated customer support based right here in Chicago. We're committed to providing quick and efficient assistance whenever you need it. What we like. This dash cam delivers stunning 4K UHD recording and connects with advanced 5G Wi-Fi for easy management. It also features a supercapacitor for enhanced longevity and performance. If you're seeking a high-end, reliable dash cam with the latest connectivity and a focus on durability, this model is designed for you. What people say. The camera has a wide-angle lens that provides a clear view of the entire rear of the vehicle. Installation was straightforward, and the camera connected easily to the car's display. The night vision feature is excellent, allowing for safe reversing even in low-light conditions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.